Ready for a game-changing tool? Look no further than this GOEBEL rivet gauge. This versatile tool will help you quickly identify the length, diameter, or drill hole for rivets, nuts, and screws. Whether you're working on a DIY project or on the job, this tool is a must-have. And here's a special treat for you. With every net order value of €250, starting today, you'll receive a rivet gauge while stocks last. So don't wait any longer. Get your hands on this essential tool and elevate your work to the next level. Tolsen Wall Chaser. The Tolsen Wall Chaser machine is a power tool with C approval, featuring an input power of 1,500 watts and operating at a rated voltage of 230–240 volts with a frequency of 50 Hz. With a no-load speed of 8,500 RPM and a disc diameter of 125 mm with an M14 spindle thread, it allows for cutting depths of 529 mm and cutting widths of 830 mm for dry cutting applications. The tool includes a spindle lock, depth adjustment, and lock-on function for added convenience. The package includes 2 diamond cutting discs, 1 chisel, 1 wrench, and 1 side handle, all packaged in a color box. Raimondi Easy Move Vexlight. The Raimondi Easy Move Vexlight is a frame version equipped with single suction cups, designed for tiles with smooth surfaces. The suction cup body is made of die-cast aluminum, providing strength and lightness. The crossbars can be easily tilted to adapt to different slab layouts and are equipped with a safety support device. The 4 sliding handles have non-slip, stain-proof grommets for easy handling. The maximum slab length is 320 cm, with a minimum length of 120 cm with crossbars and 55 cm without. The product comes with a use and maintenance manual, and accessories such as a kit of 4 double handles are available. Stencer Packmore. The Stencer Pacmore is a highly versatile machine that is designed to handle a wide range of stretch film materials with ease. Its key feature is the friction roller carriage, which provides a smooth and controlled application of the film, ensuring a consistent and secure wrapping process. The tension of the film can also be easily adjusted, allowing for a customized wrapping experience based on the specific requirements of the load being wrapped. One of the key advantages of the Xtenser Packmore is that it is completely mechanically driven, making it a low-maintenance and highly reliable option for packaging operations. It does not require an electric supply, so it can be used in a variety of locations and can be quickly and easily moved from one packaging station to another. The small drain bladder is a highly effective tool for clearing clogs in small household drains. It is designed for use with garden hoses and is capable of clearing drains with a diameter of 1 to 2 inches. The bladder is made of solid rubber material, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance, and comes equipped with a brass fitting for easy and secure attachment to your garden hose. The tool works by expanding in the drain and using the water pressure from your garden hose to force water through the clog. This allows you to clear even stubborn blockages without having to use chemicals or other harsh substances. The small drain bladder is safe, reliable, and easy to use, making it an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a simple and effective solution for clearing clogs in their household drains. Tolsen Double Gear Hand Cable Puller. The Tolsen Double Gear Hand Cable Puller is a heavy-duty tool designed for pulling, stretching, and moving heavy loads. It features double gears and double hooks that are zinc-plated for added durability and corrosion resistance. The soft rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods of time. The rugged steel ratchet and pawl ensure superb strength and durability, while the aircraft-grade cable is built to last. With a 2-ton capacity, this versatile tool is perfect for a variety of industrial, construction, and DIY projects. PREXISO Vertical Bar Torpedo Laser Level. The PREXISO P1P Torpedo Laser Level offers horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree leveling with a max operating range of 100 feet, 30 meters for point leveling, and 10 meters for line leveling. It features adjustable foot aids and a magnetic base with a V-groove for hands-free operation and can be mounted on a wall or tripod. Ideal for indoor construction tasks, the P1 PAYS helps achieve precise results. RotoZip RotoSaw Plus with Dust Vault Collect. The RotoSaw Plus with Dust Vault is a powerful cutting tool that features an integrated dust collection system. With a 6-amp motor, it can tackle even the toughest materials. The system eliminates the need for a separate vacuum, making it ideal for fast and convenient use in finished spaces, saving you time and money. Stellan Da Vinci. The Stellan Da Vinci allows you to start creating with ease. Simply connect the Genius Box, Master Handle, and Creator tool, and place the stainless steel work surface on any table. With the Da Vinci, you have access to a range of tools including a table saw, mini lathe, drill press, belt sander, disc sander, curve cutter, and trimmer. The Da Vinci is powered by a powerful and efficient 20-volt Leonardo grip motor, which is powered by a lithium-ion battery. This allows you to work anywhere you choose without being tied to an electrical outlet. So whether you are a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, the Stellan Da Vinci is the perfect tool for your creative projects. Ramoni Vertical Bar Levmatic Battery. The Ramoni Levmatic battery is a battery-powered plier used for pushing the wedge of our LS leveling system into clips, relieving the operator from any fatigue. It's easily adjustable for tile thickness, suitable for both right and left-handed operators, works with all RLS clips, and features a brushless motor for maintenance-free use. It weighs 1.6 kilograms and comes with a carry bag, battery, charger, and user manual. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.